Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are diving deep into one of the most talked about meme coins in the current crypto market, mogcoin, M-O-G. If you've been following the latest trends, you've probably noticed that mogcoin has been popping up across social media, in trading discussions, and even on the top gainer lists in certain exchanges. But what is mogcoin really about? Why is it trending right now? What's going on in the current market conditions that makes it stand out? And most importantly, can mogcoin be considered a safe investment, or is it just another short-term hype that could crash anytime? We'll cover all of that in this video, along with future price predictions and the possible scenarios that might play out in the coming months. First, let's get into the current market condition of mogcoin. As of now, in 2025, mogcoin is trading around the $0.00000012 to $0.00000015 range, depending on the time of the day and exchange activity. The token has had a massive surge over the past few weeks, recording more than 250% growth in a single month, which is huge for a meme-based cryptocurrency. The market cap has been climbing closer to $500 million, with 24-hour trading volumes ranging from $60 to $90 million. Those are not small numbers for a meme coin. What's interesting is that mogcoin is managing to stay in the spotlight even while major meme giants like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Pepe are also pushing strong in this market cycle. That means mogcoin has found a way to carve its own lane, and that usually happens when the community behind a coin starts to really believe in it. Now let's talk about the community. If you've been around crypto for a while, you know that meme coins live and die by their community strength. Shiba Inu grew because of a dedicated community. Pepe exploded because the memes went viral. Mogcoin is following that same path. On X, Twitter, Telegram, and Discord, mogcoin groups are buzzing with thousands of active users daily. Every pump, every new exchange listing, every small partnership announcement gets amplified and spreads like wildfire. That's one of the biggest reasons mogcoin has been able to ride the wave in the current bullish sentiment. But beyond hype, are there any updates or real developments around mogcoin? The answer is yes. Recently, mogcoin has been making noise with exchange listings. More mid-tier and regional exchanges have started listing it, making it easier for traders to access. Liquidity has been improving, and that's important because one of the biggest issues with meme tokens is poor liquidity, which leads to massive price slippage. With mogcoin's recent listings and growing liquidity pools, traders are starting to feel more confident entering and exiting positions without worrying about losing too much on transaction spreads. Another update worth mentioning is mogcoin's involvement in NFT and social meme culture. The project's branding leans heavily into internet meme culture, with artwork and community-driven meme contests fueling engagement. This is exactly how Dogecoin and Shiba Inu built strong cultural roots, by becoming part of the online conversation, not just a trading asset. Mogcoin's team and community moderators have been pushing this angle, and it's paying off because mainstream meme accounts are starting to include Mog in the conversation. Now let's zoom out for a second and discuss why coins like mogcoin are even pumping in this market. If you've noticed, the current crypto market in 2025 has been extremely bullish for meme coins. While Bitcoin and Ethereum are holding strong, a lot of retail traders are once again looking for the next big meme coin that can turn a small amount of money into life-changing gains. We've seen this cycle before in 2021 with Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, in 2023 with Pepe, and now in 2025 we're seeing smaller meme coins like mogcoin getting the spotlight. It's a pattern. When the market sentiment is bullish and there's extra liquidity flowing around, retail investors tend to pour into meme tokens because they offer that thrill of massive, fast gains. Mogcoin is riding this exact wave, and that's why it's seeing consistent pumps. So let's get into the future price prediction for mogcoin. Remember, predictions in crypto are never certain, but we can analyze market sentiment, tokenomics, and previous meme coin cycles to get an idea of where things could go. In the short term, mogcoin may face some pullbacks. After every big pump, there are always corrections as traders take profit. We might see mogcoin dip back toward the 9 to 10 billionths range in the short term. But if the bullish meme trend continues, MOG could bounce back and potentially retest higher levels like 0.00000020 within the next few months. On a longer time frame, say by the end of 2025, if MOG coin continues to gain traction, more exchange listings come through, and the community remains strong, then MOG could realistically push toward the 0.00000050 level. That would represent multiple times gains from where it is today. Of course, the big question is whether MOG coin could become another Shiba Inu or Dogecoin. Could it actually reach levels that put it among the top meme coins by market cap? The answer depends on two things: sustained community hype and real-world utility or cultural integration. Right now, MOG coin is mostly hype-driven, but if the developers behind it manage to build an ecosystem, add utility like staking, NFT integration, or even simple use cases like merchant acceptance, then MOG could evolve from just being a pump coin into something with staying power. That's what took Shiba Inu from being just a meme into a project with a decentralized exchange, Shibarium blockchain, and a loyal army of holders. But here's the flip side. Is MOG coin safe to invest in? The honest answer is no cryptocurrency, especially meme coins, are ever truly safe. MOG coin is extremely volatile. It can pump 200% in a week and then crash 60% the next. If you're looking at MOG coin as an investment, you have to treat it as a high-risk, high-reward speculation. You should never put in money you can't afford to lose. At the same time, if you understand the risk, MOG coin can be exciting. Many traders jump in with small amounts, ride the wave during the pump, and take profits quickly. That's often the smartest way to play meme coins. Treat them as trades, not long-term investments, unless the project evolves into something bigger. To summarize where we're at so far, MOG coin is trending hard right now, riding a wave of bullish sentiment in the meme sector. The current market condition is strong, with solid volume and a growing community. New updates include exchange listings and increased meme culture engagement. The future price prediction suggests MOG could continue upward momentum if the market remains bullish, with short-term corrections expected. And in terms of safety, MOG is as risky as any meme coin, but the potential for big gains is there for those willing to accept that risk. But we're not stopping here. In the next part of this deep dive, I'm going to take you through a longer analysis of MOG coin compared to other meme tokens, the psychology of meme coin investors, the risks of whale manipulation, and what a realistic price ceiling for MOG could look like. So stay tuned, because we're just getting started. Okay, so meet in next video. I hope you find best things about MOG coin. Okay, bye guys. Take care. Love you all.